Hi Mayfield, it's Miss MacPhee, and it's Thursday, March 2nd. This is the video for my pre-algebra students. I went to the shoebox. There was nothing in this morning, but then by this afternoon there were several, and it was almost half and half between the saving cash and the milkshake. And just thank you. You asked so nicely. I appreciate you. The reason we're going to do milkshake is because it's only 5 questions, and this is 3 of them. 3 of the points. So we'll do the 2-point problem together. And hopefully this is a little bit easier after today's lesson because we worked more on graphing systems. Determined to finish her milkshake before Diego, Lynn now drinks, because we saw earlier in this week a lesson that had Lynn and Diego drinking different milkshakes. She drinks her 12-ounce milkshake at a rate of 1/3 of an ounce per second. If she's drinking it, that means my slope is going to be negative because as she's drinking, the milkshake is decreasing. And she's starting with 12 ounces. Whereas for Diego, he's starting with his 20 ounces, and he's drinking the same rate as we had in class earlier this week, so he is negative 2/3 of an ounce per second. So we're going to graph both of those situations. The values here hopefully are there to kind of make it a little bit easier for you. For Lynn, we're going to start at 12. And for every 3 seconds, she's going down 3 ounces. So that's the way that I'm going to graph it. Instead of going down 1 and over 3, I'm going to say, well, for every 3 ounces, if I substitute 3 into this expression, I get -1. So for every 3 seconds, she's going to have 1 less ounce. So for every 3 seconds, she will have 1 less ounce. That seems like enough points for me to go ahead and use my straight edge. All right, looks like she's going to finish there somewhere around 36 seconds. For Diego, he's starting with 20 ounces. And for Diego, if I substitute 3 seconds into the equation, I'm going to get -2. So for every 3 seconds, he's decreasing 2 ounces. I do worry that he might get a little bit of a brain freeze. Now someone might ask, why aren't you going over 3 and then down 2? Because my intervals here for my seconds, I'm counting by 3. So every 3 seconds, he's decreasing 2 ounces. That seems like enough points for me to bring in my straight edge. All right, okay. So there's my graph. We have a point of interception. Maybe from here you can go ahead and tell me, what does this graph tell us about this situation and how many solutions are there? So how many solutions are there? What does that solution tell us about their seconds and their ounces? What do you notice about Diego's rate? What do you notice about Lynn's rate? All kinds of fun things that you can look at for this problem. Hope that gives you enough information. I didn't want to give you too much since it's only out of 5 points, but I hope that's enough to unstick you if you're stuck. Thank you for your hard work. Friendly reminder, we're going to continue with solving systems both algebraically using substitution as well as graphing, and our quiz is going to be next Thursday. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye, Mayfield.